Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. The world of dining table and dining chair designs offers a plethora of options to suit every taste and style. One popular design in the classic rectangular dining table with matching chairs. This timeless combination provides a traditional and elegant look, perfect for formal dining rooms or sophisticated settings. The rectangular shape allows for ample seating space and facilitates easy conversation among diners. Paired with unpholstered or wooden chairs, this design exudes a sense of sophistication and refinement, making it a popular choice among homeowners. For those seeking a more contemporary and versatile design, round dining tables and mix and match chairs are a fantastic option. Round tables promote a sense of intimacy and encourage interaction among diners, or everyone is within easy reach. They are particularly well suited for smaller spaces as the absence of corner maximizes the available room. Pairing a round table with variety of different chairs such as combination of unpholstered wooden or even acrylic chairs adds visual interest and creates a unique eclectic style. This design allows for more creative freedom, enabling homeowners to showcase their an array of dining table and dining chair design to choose from. There is something to suit every home and aesthetics preferences. Thank you for watching. For the latest and trending interior design, must watch, subscribe and like interior design channel.